Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by optimizing controls so motion becomes automatic. First, set look sensitivity high and aim lower to let quick turns feel smooth. This reduces overcorrection. Once done, choose a light primary and melee so weapon swap and ADS are fast, fewer frames lost. Make sure sprint is on a simple tap or toggle you can reach without breaking aim. These changes let you initiate high-speed movement immediately and maintain accuracy when you need to snap to targets. Now you combine inputs into reliable sequences. Start with sprint plus alternating strafe to produce short lateral bursts that break enemy aim. It's quick and unpredictable. Next, chain sprint into crouch slide, then immediately jump to regain speed. This preserves momentum and lowers hitbox briefly. Once you see a target, peek from cover with a short strafe, fire a controlled burst, and fall back. This keeps you mobile and minimizes exposure. Practice these chains slowly, then increase pace until they're fluid. Finish by building consistency through deliberate practice. You should spend short warm-up drills on movement chains every session, focusing on timing rather than speed. This trains muscle memory. Make incremental sensitivity tweaks, 5% at a time, and test immediately so you don't destabilize your aim. If you experience stutters or input lag, reduce graphic load or close background apps to keep frame timing stable. A steady frame rate and practice sequences are the final pieces that make fast movement reliable in matches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.